Hi folks, this video is just intended to help you understand how to make a copy of a document that is shared with you in view-only access. So here is an example of the online sign-in log that has been shared with you, but you have only viewing access for this because you need to make your own copy in order to submit your time. So what you'll see when you click on that link is this screen, and you'll have the option to open this. So you'll want to click Open With and select Google Docs. What it's going to do is open the document in Google Docs with only the access to view. So you'll see you have to request edit access, but that's not what you want to do in order to create your own copy. To do that, you want to go over here and click on File and make a copy of this document. So essentially what you're doing is creating your own copy of this document so that you have editing rights and that you can share the log of your time. So if you want to just name it with your last name and your daily log, that would be fine. You will eventually put it in a Google folder that is to be shared with me, so I have access to that document. And when you click OK, you'll see that it will open up the document now, and you will have everything in the original document, but this document will be your own copy with editing rights to go in, put your own name on the top, and start entering your information on a daily basis. Thanks so much.